Success in today's marketplace significantly relies on referrals, reviews, and word of mouth. Customer expectations continue to evolve, and those expectations are higher than ever. We believe Zillow Premier agents should be rewarded for exceeding customer expectations, which is why today we're diving deeper into the Best of Zillow program. Studies show that for every person who speaks up about their poor experience, 26 others don't say anything. In other words, only 4% of dissatisfied customers speak up. Most who've had a negative experience simply take their business elsewhere without giving you the chance to learn from that experience. The Best of Zillow program offers insight into how your customers feel about their experiences with you. This gives you more visibility into your interactions with potential clients, which can help you understand where you're excelling and spot opportunities for growth. So, how does it work? We send home shoppers a customer experience survey 24 hours after their initial connection with the Zillow Premier agent, and again 15 and 45 days later. Customer responses are combined and delivered to agents in their customer experience report. You should also know that this rating is visible to you, but not to the public. We don't want to just give you numbers. We want to make this data actionable. To do this, we provide tips and training that are centered on the traits that customers value most. We've put together a suite of training resources to help you interpret and respond to the data in your report. We know many of you consistently go above and beyond for your clients. This is why we're rolling out exclusive recognition for agents who receive the highest customer ratings. The agents customers have rated the Best of Zillow. Best of Zillow agents will receive increased exposure across Zillow Group platforms. They'll also get a marketing toolkit that includes free listing templates, home shopper handouts, and more, and a special badge of Best of Zillow on their agent profile. Our goal with Best of Zillow is to empower you with the right tools, data, and resources to continue your success in today's real estate marketplace. We want you to become the best agent you can be, and we're here to help you along the way. To learn more about the Best of Zillow, head over to the link in the description, and I'll see you next time.